Here's how to get a MovieBox Pro invitation code. The easiest way is to ask someone who already uses the app. If a friend or family member has MovieBox Pro, they can generate an invite code for you, usually every 15 minutes or maybe once a month depending on their user status. Just have them send it to you privately. If you don't know anyone personally, the next best option is to check out active communities, Reddit forums, Facebook groups, Discord servers. These are all great places where users regularly share codes. Just be polite, don't spam, and maybe DM someone who's offering. It helps if you actually engage in the conversation first. Another method is to email MovieBox Pro support directly. You need to email them from your Gmail account, since the app works best with Google Login. Add support at movieboxpro.app. They sometimes reply quickly, but it could also take a few days depending on how busy they are. One important thing, don't buy codes from sketchy websites or people. There's no need to pay because codes are usually free. And many paid codes turn out to be fake, expired, or reused. Also, avoid surveys or sites asking for your credit card info. They're usually scams. Just stick to getting codes from trusted users or official support. Don't share codes publicly either. Once they're posted online, they get misused or blocked fast.